In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar links on this Nissan Altima. Let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground with the suspension hanging. Once you've done that, we'll continue on to removing all 5 of our 21mm lug nuts and then the wheel. If you have a hubcap on here, you can tug this out of place. Just be careful for any pinch points. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, we have a clear view of our front strut and the front sway bar link. We have to separate this area. To separate this, we'll be using an 18mm to remove the nut. While doing so, you're going to find that the sway bar link stud spins at the same time. Use some locking pliers along the back side of the strut, right up against that sway bar link stud, hold it in place, use your 18mm here. Let's get this out of here. Now that we have the top separated, let's follow the sway bar link down to the sway bar itself. Once again, we're going to be using some locking pliers to hold that stud still. After that, we'll use our 18mm to remove the nut, which is on the inboard side of this. There's that. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new front sway bar link. When you go to install this, you will be holding the stud with a 20mm wrench. We'll go ahead and put this in place, starting at the bottom. Once you have that in place, continue on with your 18mm mounting nut. Let's torque this to 62 foot-pounds. Now we can do the same up along the top. Let's install our wheel. Start on all of your lug nuts, bottom them out, get the wheel back on the ground. Now we can torque the wheel. Torque each one of these lug nuts in a crisscross manner to 83 foot-pounds. Torqued. If you have a hubcap, go ahead and put that on now. Okay, friend, we showed you how to install one side of your front sway bar link. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing for the other. Whenever you do these, you do them as a pair. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Now, don't forget to order all your parts from oneauto.com. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.